Here we come to the elevator at Macy's in New York. Interesting doors. My son likes elevators, so he asked me to film them for him. My son likes elevators, so he asked me to film them for him. Because these are old, original.
Oh. So that's why she's filming the elevator?
I am filming the elevator. Yeah, he's 9. He's into it, yes. He really loves them.
Hopefully become an architect or something like that, so that he can learn from his passion and work in his passion.
Yes, exactly. So he's in California, so he's like, if you're going to be near this Macy's, it's going to be really cool, Mom. You got to do it because it's wood inside.
My fiance actually goes to school in California.
Really?
Yeah.
Cellar going up.
Wow.
Cellar going up.
Record that for him.
Cellar going up.
The doors are cool. Oh, I can't.
You get the...
Go all the way up.
It's going to... It doesn't stop.
6th floor going up.
6.
Oh.
Did you pass yours?
Yeah, I was going to the first floor.
Sorry.
Maybe they what? I thought it went by itself.
Okay, I think I'm going to get up here.
And go back.
Take
care, yes.
Excuse me. Yeah, no, because we don't want to go up.
6th floor going up.
Come on, 9.
6th floor going up.
What?
7th floor going up.
Come on. Beep, 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 beep. What happened?
7th floor going up.
You got the button. Yeah.
What floor is McDonald's? That's anyone there?
2 more.
McDonald's. What floor is it?
This one. McDonald's is over here around the corner.
Oh, it's on 7?
Yeah.
Chicken one.
It's around the corner.
That's a chicken one.
What's she gone? She's the one with the card. She's important.
Come in your flat to make you see, man. Where my Sunday?
Oh, you worry about your son, my daughter worry about your our
7th
mother.
floor going
And our
up.
brother.
So if you sit down there, relax.
I'm not relaxing. My son was bleeding. I don't know how it happened. So I'm trying to make sure. Hold this. I'm trying to find out what's wrong with my son's son, right?
Yeah, I'm just recording my...
Come on, they're coming out.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, I gotta go out too.
Okay.
Go ahead. That's okay. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't want to bump anybody. There you go, Andrew. Okay, so let's see. I want to go back down. Try to go down the same road. That one doesn't work. Okay. There you go. I'm going to wait till it's a little bit less crowded. And then I'm going to get one going down. These are the original elevators here. They're vintage. They're awesome. I'm going to let that one go down and then we can catch another one. There it goes. So what is that? Okay, so find one. Again. Out. Oh, this one's going up. Maybe we haven't gone up all the way.
Là-haut, et puis en bas.
Il fallait prendre bas là, sommet là. Bas.
Non, on ne va pas sommet bas. On va d'abord sommet bas.
Going up.
Frame là. Bas là. C'est pas trop haut.
Ça nous on peut pas mélanger. Tu peux pas la mettre là en haut.
Elle a dit ça. Elle n'a pas dit ça.
Elle dit on mélange pas. Tu n'as pas compris la femme.
Non, Dad n'a pas compris.
Five là, c'est comme ça, c'est pas long. 5 inches.
Le sommet là.
First floor.
Le matelas comme le sommet.
Could you press C?
Après. Ok.
Thank you.
C'est ici, on est arrivé.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, yes, of course. I'll hold the door to make sure.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, I have a little one myself.
I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
First floor. Going down. First floor. Going down. Cellar. Going up.
I wanted to get out, but I guess I'll have to wait. Oh, here we are. It's pretty. My son likes elevators, so he told me to go in.
out? Oh, you get something?
All done. I get so pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna go to
Cellar. Going up. First floor. Going up.